What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today's focus is on the Lockin Veno Pro, the world's fastest video smart lock. I first saw this product at CES 2025 and it instantly grabbed my attention. I knew I had to get my hands on it. The wait for my unit felt endless, but the moment it arrived at my studio, I wasted no time setting it up. Now it stands guard at my main studio office door, the place where I work, store my most valuable gadgets, and most importantly, keep all the embargoed tech under lock and key. As part of the Veno series, alongside the Veno Plus edition, it combines next-gen security with smart convenience, featuring touchless palm vein recognition, a 180-degree panoramic camera, and solar-powered charging. It redefines home security. Oh, well, for our case, it redefines studio security. Lockin brand is the world's first and best vein recognition smart lock brand for those seeking fast, secure, and no charging hassle home protection. Lockin Veno Pro delivers. Well, as usual, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Lockin stands at the forefront of home security, following the principle stay true, lead the way. Innovation drives everything, not just keeping up with trends, but setting them. Beyond performance, Lockin prioritizes accessibility and ease of use, ensuring security solutions seamlessly work for every family members, regardless of age or ability. At the heart of Lockin's mission, there are three core principles: striving for excellence to guarantee protection, pushing technology forward to enhance home security, and designing with care to support every user. This commitment has made Lockin a global leader, ranking number one in vein recognition smart lock cells. Well, I usually don't do any tutorial videos and I'm not gonna turn this video into any tutorial. So let's quickly go through the unboxing and the installation process. Yeah, let me mention it clearly. It took me only 15 minutes, I think less than 15 minutes to install it. So yeah, it's really very easy to install. Let's quickly recap the unboxing and installation. Well, security meets cutting edge technology with Venokey palm vein unlock. Unlike fingerprints, palm veins are hidden beneath the skin, making them impossible to forge. The AI AE exposure algorithm scans and identifies veins in just 0.17 seconds with 99.9% accuracy, verified by TUV Rhineland. Unlike traditional fingerprint recognition, which is vulnerable to wear and environmental conditions, palm vein authentication maintains precision regardless of hand position, skin condition, or lighting. With a false acceptance rate of just 0.00001%, this system is 50 times more secure than fingerprint locks. Seamless, fast, and accurate. It ensures effortless and touchless access to the home for all ages and any condition. Okay, beyond advanced authentication, the Lockin Veno Pro is designed for true autonomy. With an integrated 5.5 watt solar panel, it eliminates the hassle of battery replacements. Just 2 hours of sunlight per day keeps the lock powered and ready. Even in low light conditions, the built-in rechargeable battery ensures uninterrupted operation, lasting up to 3 months on a single charge. No more concerns about power failure or frequent charging. Combining solar energy with extended battery life, the Lockin Veno Pro delivers a seamless, maintenance-free security solution for every home. LockinVeno Pro is the only smart lock equipped with the LockinAI, offering free motion detection and alerts with no subscription fees. Using local AI algorithms, LockinAI processes real-time recognition within 3 to 5 seconds, ensuring faster alerts and improved privacy without relying on cloud services or external AI hubs. The system integrates 60 GHz millimeter wave radar plus a PIR sensor and a local AI video processing chip for efficient sensing and precise detection. Customizable motion detection zones and target areas enhance security, reducing false alarms. Instant alerts provide real-time updates, ensuring continuous awareness of visitors, movement, and delivered packages conditions. The Lockin Veno Pro is more than just a smart lock, it's a full home security system. Featuring a 180-degree 2K ultra-wide camera, it provides a true full-angle view, capturing everything from head to toe, including packages as small as 15 cm on the ground. Unlike other brands that claim 180-degree views but only achieve it diagonally, Lockin's camera has a Lockin Cam 180-degree head-to-toe ultra-wide view, achieves a true 180-degree width, height, and diagonal view, so it can monitor the whole body of the visitor. With 2K HD resolution, every detail is captured clearly. Equipped with an ultra-sensitive PIR motion sensor and a 60 GHz radar sensor, the system detects movement up to 6 meters away. Within just 0.3 seconds, the camera activates, capturing crucial real-time footage. Here, security remains uncompromised with Lockin's P2P transmission system, preventing intermediary access to video footage. Here, unlike traditional cloud storage solution where data can be intercepted, P2P transmission system guarantees complete privacy. Moreover, the Lockin app enhances security with real-time visitor calls, instant motion alerts, and smart access control. Features include auto response, voice activation, remote locking, one-time lock code setup, and security logs, ensuring seamless management from anywhere.
We can't open the door right now, but if you want to leave a message, you can now.
It also supports human and package detection and enhanced AI-powered security alerts. The system is also fully compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, Samsung SmartThings, and other smart home platforms via Matter, ensuring smooth integration into any smart ecosystem. The Lockin Veno Pro isn't just a smart lock, it's a full home security solution, combining touchless palm vein recognition, a 180-degree full view camera, solar charging, and a built-in doorbell. It delivers unparalleled convenience and protection. For those seeking next-level security without battery concerns, Lockin Veno Pro delivers. This lock is a standout choice. Well, I have left a link in the description box, so go ahead, check the product, and if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.